Oh, I'm going to fish.
Good morning. Getting in the daily reading. Always got to grow the mind. Getting in some note taking. And then we're going to be heading out of Guana Cay, heading over to Hopetown. We got to get a COVID test so that we can leave the country. And that's going to be 4 days from now. So we'll take you along on this journey today as we head into Hopetown. We've got quite a bit of more drills to do. MARYANN's going to be zigzagging, tacking and jiving, making it happen.
Hey guys, headed into town. Trying to get some Wi-Fi so we can check some emails, check on our flights.
Can we go somewhere where there is some Wi-Fi? I need to check something.
We're gonna hopefully get some. What an absolutely beautiful morning on Guana Cay. I think that's Fish Key. I think it's about 76. We'll get to warming up here. Kids are playing chess. Clifton's talking to the yacht broker, checking emails, and it is just fabulous. Our boat is across the way there somewhere on the water. Just walked right across the street. We're setting up, playing some reggae music. Life is good. Island. And this water. And it is beautiful.
We're getting ready to come off the mooring here in Great Guana Cay, en route to Hopetown. MARYANN's going to be responsible for getting us off the mooring. I'm going to be taking the helm, getting us out of the harbor. Keep working. Jib in. It's working.
I don't know where it is. Where's your gum? What a beautiful view from the top. She's driving. She was taking a nap because she wasn't feeling well. Got a little bit of swell today, but not a bad day. Started off with drizzle and kind of looking overcast and a little foggy, but it burned off.
Just arrived in Hopetown. Got tied off to a mooring here in the harbor. You see there's a lot of boats here in the harbor. I'm gonna take the kids here to the lighthouse. Take a tour of that. Head over here. They're gonna get a COVID test. Hey, Mo. Hey, buddy. Anyway, so we're gonna head in. here. Captain Brett, Marianne, and have some lunch, chill out. This is where we're here for the night. So that is Captain Brett's doing a little recon here.
I think he needs something. He's tensed up after that.
Coming into Hopetown. Now Marianne's in charge of the dinghy here. Starboard forward.
God.
This way. She's a natural. There's the man with the plan. Hey guys. Man with the plan.
Yep.
So we are here in Hopetown at Capn Jacks. Got the man with the plan right here.
Oh man, look at that. It's all jacked up from the wind.
I need it.
Got everything. Walking up to the Elbow Reef light station. This is the oldest, if not the only working kerosene lighthouse. So my understanding is we can actually walk to the top of this, and then tonight when we're aboard RRE, we'll be able to see this actually in operation. So check this out. Approaching the Elbow Reef Lighthouse. Thing is super cool. There we go. Built in 1864, rebuilt in 1934. Visibility 17 miles. So cool. Here we go. So cool. These guys are signing in.
We're signing the book.
Awesome. And we're gonna climb to the top. Some steps all the way up. These are tiny. Here we go.
Daddy, can we go out there?
And we're just step out here. And we're at the top. Absolutely gorgeous.
I'm scared.
Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous up here. So cool. Walking around the top of the lighthouse. Absolutely amazing. 360 degrees. So we made it to the top of the Elbow Reef lighthouse. Look at that view overlooking Harbor Town. Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous there. And here we go. This is where we came in today. Back over here, we sailed in from Great Guana Cay. Hey, Mama.
So nice.
So beautiful. Granny, say hello.
Hey, how are y'all?
So cool. Boatyard down there. And we're walking around the lighthouse here. Look at that. Man, it's so cool. So cool. And then again, back off over here. As the sun goes down, nightfall is upon us. It's been another amazing day. Just kind of setting up shop here in Hopetown. Absolutely great day of sailing. Marianne and I are going to be plotting our course for tomorrow. Working with some navigational charts and things like that. Wake up early in the morning. I'm probably going to go ashore, get in a run, and then we are going to be taking off around 9 a.m. Got a full day ahead tomorrow, working on some sailing drills, and then we'll end up at a nice beach tomorrow think our plan is to arrive at Pete's and either have a late lunch or dinner and a couple cocktails and celebrate Thanksgiving. So grateful, thankful, blessed for sure. An awesome day today with an awesome cruise. Getting this breakfast prepped early. The boys are playing rummy.
I do.
This is going to be on point in the morning. Got the beef and broccoli over here. Mucking fuscacina on the Helio 44. On point. On point. Everybody's well fed. I've been on the 3 burner in the oven for 2 hours, but I still got to get these steps in. 10K a day, not to be defeated. We own it.
Here we are at 9:22 p.m. We try to get our steps in. What in the world? Oh my gosh, desperate to get them steps in. Trying to reach our 10K budget. Oh my god.
Take the best shower, an alternative shower, or a soap here.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection, lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
Yeah, Dad.